Have you ever noticed these little arrows on your desktop icons? Well, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of them. So first you're going to want to open Registry Editor. So to do that, if you hit the Windows key and the R key together, it'll open up the run box. And if you type in Regedit and hit enter, you want to say yes. So now if you go to H key local machine there, and then we want to expand software, and then we want to expand Microsoft, and then we want to scroll down until you see Windows, expand that, and then we want to expand current version, and then we want to find Explorer. So if you right click the Explorer folder and then go to new, we want to make a new key, and then you're gonna call this new folder Shell Icons. Make sure there's a space and there's a capital S for Shell and a capital I for Icons. And I'm going to hit enter. And then within this, we're going to click into the empty space. We're going to hit new and then string value. And we're going to name this 29 and then hit enter to save that. And now if we double click and then for the value data, we're going to import this value. I will copy this into the video description to make it easier for you. And then we're going to click OK. And then we're going to close this down. Got to open Task Manager, so you can either search for Task Manager in your search bar, or you can do Control Shift then Escape. And we're going to find the Windows Explorer, Windows File Explorer task there. And we're going to click Restart Task. Now that's restarted, we can get rid of Task Manager, and you can see that the arrows, the small arrows that were there before, are no longer there.